The project has emerged really over the last 7 years from the strategic planning, the Dementia Action Plan, to look at how we can transform services to support people living with dementia and their carers. Over the years, more and more people with dementia have attended the centre. All the staff have benefited from a 5-day training programme, and their expertise has really grown. I call them the Rondel House A-team now because I'm so proud of how they've transformed over the last few years.
You'll appreciate that when you're caring for someone with dementia or Alzheimer's, it is an isolation. Now, the COVID thing for the last 2 years has simply exacerbated that isolation. It was quite stressful, really, and the 2 days that Anne comes here to the centre means that, first of all, I'm relieved of the responsibility and knowing that she's safe in the good hands, and then I can start being less isolated.
We've seen such a difference in the people who've come back, or new people starting post-COVID, and their relatives have come back to us and said, what a difference. Even after 1 week, 1 day, 2 days of coming back, they've seen a difference in their relative. They're brighter, they're more alert. It's just relieved that isolation and, helped their concentration a bit more. So yeah, it's about being imaginative, creative and responding to what people want and need.